Okay, we got a 2010 Lincoln MKZ, and I just had to make this video because of how ridiculous the power window relearn procedure was. Reason I'm even doing it, the window regulator was pooched. Motor was good, so I didn't see any sense in buying another motor, much cheaper. Got it all in. Then what was happening is basically once I started operating the switch again and going to the top position, it would hit the top and then it would come down like that. And most cars, you would just get to the bottom position, keep holding the switch down for a number of seconds, and then go back up and hold it for a number of seconds, and that's it. Not in this case. So finally got reading into some Ford manuals, and I mean, when I read, I can't believe that's the official way of fixing this issue. So get the window all the way to the down position, and you're gonna have to be quick here so it doesn't catch your hand. It's better if you got someone helping you. Loosen the nut on the ground cable so it's easy to pop off. Again, I'm not actually going to be doing it because I don't want to go through this again, just to show you guys. So you have to disconnect the ground while the window is moving, if you can believe that. So I pull up and then run over here and pop before it closes. I know it sounds stupid. They call this de-initializing the window motor because it had remembered previous things, I guess, from the other regulator. Maybe the pressure was different, I don't know. Maybe it got all messed up because of the condition of that regulator as well. Anyways, when that was done, and then I shut off the ignition, go put the ground back on, and now you got to get, so after you put the ground back on, put the ignition back on, then you got to bring the window, just do the single click, not the double click, just bring it down to its full position. That's it. And now from here, so you know how there's like one click or double click for it to go auto, right? So one click to get it all the way down, make sure it's fully seated. Now we're gonna go double click and hold it, the whole procedure all the way up to the top. 1, 2, let go. If you go more than that, it's gonna come down again. And now same thing the other way, we're going auto down. 1, 2, that's it, let go. It's stupid, but after watching numerous YouTube videos and people explaining different ways to program it, that's what solved it for me. So I hope this helps.